Hello, welcome. Today we will explore on tips on managing household chores. Managing household chores can be quite a task, but with some smart strategies, you can make it more manageable. Here are some tips to help you keep on top of your household duties. 1. Create a schedule for consistency. Assign specific days for different tasks, like laundry on Mondays and vacuuming on Wednesdays. This helps prevent chores from piling up. 2. Implement the 2-minute rule. If a task takes less than 2 minutes to complete, do it immediately. This prevents small chores from becoming larger, more daunting tasks. 3. Set realistic goals. Break down chores into smaller tasks. Tackle one room or one aspect of a room at a time to make the workload more achievable. 4. Use cleaning supplies wisely. Keep a well-stocked supply of cleaning products and consider creating cleaning caddies for different areas of the house. 5. Clean as you go. Address spills and messes as they happen to prevent them from adding to your cleaning load. 6. Organize and declutter regularly. A decluttered space is easier to clean and maintain. Regularly sorting through items can also reduce the time spent on cleaning. 7. Delegate tasks. If you live with others, share the responsibilities. Delegating tasks can lighten your load and involve the whole household in upkeep. 8. Use timers. Set a timer for each cleaning task. This can help you stay focused and prevent you from spending too much time on one chore. Remember, flexibility is key. Adjust your schedule as needed to accommodate any unexpected events or changes in your routine. And don't forget to give yourself a break. It's okay if everything isn't perfect all the time. The goal is to make household management easier, not to add stress to your life. Hope you enjoyed the lesson. Thank you. Bye.